Welcome to AI Unraveled, the podcast that demystifies frequently asked questions on artificial intelligence and keeps you up to date with the latest AI trends. In today's episode, we'll cover the powerful digital marketing opportunity provided by WhatsApp broadcasts combined with AI. In the world of digital marketing, WhatsApp broadcasts are like the modern-day equivalent of flyers. They offer a combination of efficiency and precision targeting that can help businesses reach their audiences in a whole new way. But what if I told you that you could take your WhatsApp broadcast to the next level with the power of artificial intelligence, AI? By leveraging AI, you can unlock even more potential and significantly boost your return on investment, ROI. WhatsApp broadcasts already boast impressive statistics, with a staggering 98% open rate and 35% click rate. But imagine what you could achieve by integrating AI into your WhatsApp marketing campaigns. Let's start by exploring how AI can help you build a WhatsApp broadcast list. WhatsApp offers several built-in features that can be enhanced with AI. For example, with the WhatsApp Business API, AI can analyze customer interactions and create personalized opt-in invitations. This way, you can leverage AI to attract more subscribers to your broadcast list. Another feature you can use is the WhatsApp click-to-chat link. By using AI algorithms to analyze user engagement data, you can determine the most effective platforms to place these links. This will help drive more users to engage with your WhatsApp broadcasts. QR codes have become increasingly popular in marketing, and WhatsApp offers its own QR code feature. By using AI algorithms to track QR code scans and optimize their placements, you can make sure that your QR codes are working to their full potential. If you have a website, you can also utilize the WhatsApp chat widget. AI can personalize the interactions on the chat widget, improving user engagement and encouraging visitors to join your broadcast list. Let's move on to how you can utilize AI in the content and engagement strategies of your WhatsApp marketing campaigns. AI can help you create personalized newsletters by analyzing subscriber preferences. By tailoring your newsletter content to match what your subscribers are interested in, you can encourage them to provide their WhatsApp details and join your broadcast list. When it comes to content strategy, AI can be a powerful tool. You can use AI tools to analyze trending topics and user interests for your blogs and glossaries, ensuring that your content remains relevant and engaging. Additionally, AI can help you segment your audience and offer personalized ebooks, reports, and white papers to different user groups. Product demos and samples are a great way to engage potential leads, but AI can take it a step further. By deploying AI to identify leads that are most likely to respond positively to product demos and samples, you can focus your efforts on those who are most likely to convert. Workshops and webinars are another effective way to engage with your audience. With AI tools, you can identify trending topics and personalize invitations, increasing registration rates and ensuring that you are reaching the right people. Social media is a valuable platform for marketing, and AI can help you make the most of it. AI algorithms can analyze social media behavior to identify potential leads and optimize your content, ensuring that you are reaching the right audience at the right time. When it comes to social media ads, AI can help you fine-tune your targeting. By leveraging AI to analyze user behavior and preferences, you can ensure that your ads are being shown to the people who are most likely to be interested in your products or services. Chatbots have become increasingly popular in customer service, and for a good reason. By integrating AI-powered chatbots into your social media platforms, you can handle complex queries and provide personalized interactions. This can greatly improve customer satisfaction and engagement. Customer referral programs are a valuable tool for growing your business, and AI can help you make them even more effective. By using AI analytics, you can identify customers who are most likely to refer others and tailor your referral programs accordingly. Now let's focus on how you can maximize your ROI with WhatsApp broadcasts and AI. First and foremost, AI-driven personalization is key. By using AI to segment your audience, you can send highly personalized and relevant broadcasts. This will ensure that your messages resonate with your audience, increasing engagement and conversion rates. Timing is everything, and AI can help you with that too. By leveraging AI, you can determine the best times to send follow-up messages and analyze customer responses for future interactions. This will help you build a strong relationship with your audience. Continuous AI analytics are crucial for optimizing your WhatsApp broadcasts. By employing AI tools to analyze the performance of your broadcasts, you can adapt your strategies accordingly. This will help you stay ahead of the game and ensure that you are delivering the most effective messages to your audience. It's important to remember that while AI is a powerful tool, it should be used in adherence to best practices and compliance policies. This will ensure that your communication is respectful and effective, building a positive reputation for your business. Finally, integrating WhatsApp and AI into a broader digital marketing strategy is essential. While WhatsApp broadcasts and AI are powerful on their own, incorporating them into a comprehensive strategy will result in synergistic effects. This means that you should integrate WhatsApp and AI with other marketing channels and tactics to create a unified and effective approach. In conclusion, combining WhatsApp broadcasts with AI offers a powerful opportunity to enhance your digital marketing efforts. By strategically building a broadcast list and employing AI for personalized, data-driven communication, businesses can achieve a significantly improved ROI. Are you ready to dive deep into the ever-evolving world of artificial intelligence? Well, have I got some exciting news for you? There's a book that's going to blow your mind and unravel the mysteries of AI. It's called AI Unraveled, Master GPT-4, Gemini, Generative AI and LLMs, Simplified Guide for Everyday Users, OpenAI, ChatGPT, Google Bard, AI ML Quiz, AI Certifications Prep, Prompt Engineering. Phew, that's quite a mouthful, but don't let the long title intimidate you. But where can you get your hands on this gem? Look no further than popular online platforms like Etsy, Shopify, Apple, Google, or Amazon. They've got you covered and ready to embark on your AI adventure.